I'm a Scorpio. Thank you, Mama.
तो पिछले पार्ट में आप लोगों ने देखा कि कैसे मुझे पैकिंग करने में सबसे ज्यादा दिक्कत हुई, क्या बैग लूं, कौन से बैग लूं। मैं लेट हो रहा था, टैक्सी लेनी पड़ती शायद।
काउंटर किधर है यार टिकट का? ऐसे ये कौन सी बस है?
दिन भर जर्नी किया और मेरे पैर दर्द होने लग गए थे। फिर जैसे जैसे करके
आई एम ऑन टाइम।
बांग्ला से मैंने चितकुल की आखिरी बस ली, टैक्सी में स्पेंड नहीं करना पड़ा।
चितकुल आंटी जी चाय लगा दो।
चितकुल पहुंचा और वहाँ आखिरी ढाबा में चाय पिया। हॉस्टल पहुंचा, हॉस्टल पहुंचने के बाद लीजा से मिला एंड व्हेन वी टुक अराउंड।
हाय लिज,
Hello.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm not good. Oh shit, my workshop is gonna start.
देखिए कहानी आगे, मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस खेलने।
Let's go check this place out. This is gonna be my guide for today.
Welcome to Jostel. This is our common room where we are gonna have the workshop, and people are gonna come in very soon. I hope so. Shut up! Listen to me.
Okay, guys. So we are rolling.
Yeah.
Yes.
What? Paper? No.
The very next minute he arrived, he started shooting, and later in the night, the moment the clock hits 12, this happened.
Ready? Yes. Tell me what are we exactly doing? 5 minute बचा है, रुक जाओ bro. अभी वो क्या बोलते ठंडा हो जाएगा तो. He had this stove and everything, and he just made this amazing setup.
Just to wish her birthday. That's it.
Who?
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Tanya.
रुक जाओ. 3 more minutes to go for 12 o'clock. Tanya doesn't know about this surprise.
I'm a Scorpio. Thank you, Mama.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Tanya!
Happy birthday
Thank you. Best birthday ever.
and the best wishes
Happy
to
birthday, Tanya. Thank you,
birthday, dear Annette, and good luck all year.
It's your birthday. तू पहले खाना लेके.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel?
I'm not lying when I say this is the best birthday ever.
Happy birthday, Tanya! What a beautiful view, man. This is exactly what it means when you wake up to the mountains. Good morning, everyone. This is day 2 in Chitkul, and I overslept. Isn't it just beautiful and awesome? The sun is right on top. मैं अपने भाई लोगों में ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, दोस्तों में ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, सोलो ट्रैवल नहीं किया था. So this is my first solo travel of this year in North. You're feeling that vibe again and you are all by yourself. You get time to think. That's what I really wanted. Thank you. Wow. Hi boy, what's your name? Oh. Time check, it's 1:45 p.m. right now. I need to go and get ready and see if I can find something interesting. Go around and explore Chitkul. 1, 2, 3. I'm ready. The timelines that you guys saw, right after that it started raining a bit. The weather seems really bad. थोड़ा बारिश अभी भी हो रहा है. I really am hungry and I really want to eat something. खाने को क्या? दाल चावल ही है. So the meal is done. Only problem here is it started raining. So चितकुल एक्सप्लोर करने का जो प्लान है वो गया. I met few guys here. I have invited all of these 3 guys to come to SOS event today.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
so many times I had the opportunity to see snowfall. Even when I reached Kasol, is snowfall 2 days ago. When we reached Manali, snowfall few days ago. When we reached Bir, for one day that we went, snowfall happened 5 days ago. And in Uttarakhand, I just walked on snow. But finally, God listened to my wish. चितकुल आना सबसे बड़ा सक्सेस रहा. मस्त लग रहा है यार. स्नोफॉल मेरे हाथ में कुछ एक दो स्नो आ जाए, मजा आ जाएगा. मेरा इस साल का नॉर्थ ट्रैवल करने का सपना पूरा. Finally, I watched snowfall. So I'm wearing just a poncho and a t-shirt inside. I have nothing else. My hands are all freezing right now. You can see the shake in my hand as well. Stupid me. मैंने अपने मोबाइल पे टाइम लैप्स लगाया था. मोबाइल का हालत देखो. स्नोफॉल तेज हो गई है. वाओ, कैसा लग रहा है आंटी? आप लोग बर्फ देखते हो तो मजा आता है.
हाँ मजा आया. मौसम खराब है.
मीलों का बैग भी गीला हो गया पूरा. मेरा कैमरा का हालत खराब हो गया है. बैग का हालत देखो. कैमरा बैग गीला हो गया. हम लोग इसी के अंदर अभी अपने आप को पनाह दे रहे हैं. बर्फ पूरे अंदर तक आ रही है यहाँ तक. हाथ पूरा जाम हो चुका है. ओनली आई नो हाउ एम आई होल्डिंग दिस कैमरा टू टॉक टू यू गाइस. मेरा हाथ पूरा झन 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 ऐसे कर रहा है. बट एट द एंड सब कुछ के लिए ओनली वन आंसर इज इट इज वर्थ इट. अगर जन्नत है ज़मीन पे कहीं, हम ही हस्तो यही है, यही है, यही है. फाइनली आफ्टर 3 hours स्पेंडिंग एट हिंदुस्तान का आखिरी ढाबा.
क्या हुआ? किसका?
नहीं, यहाँ तो नहीं देखा. स्काई क्लियर हो गई है. तारे दिखेंगे आज. बिल्कुल दिखेंगे तारे. पूरे पहाड़ कवर हो चुके हैं स्नोफॉल से. बारिश रुक गई है. स्नोफॉल भी ऑलमोस्ट रुक गया. और यहाँ पे जो व्यू मैं देख रहा हूँ, अरे हट जा, पानी उछलेगा. तो ये भाई लोग हैं. फिलहाल जो व्यू है, Day 3 guys. Set है. Hello, where are you from?
Hi, I'm from Delhi. Going to hell. Join us for the trek.
कितने लोग हैं? ठीक है.
Hi, this is Vijeta and I'm in Chitkul and it's really an amazing place. And now we are going to do some glacier hiking.
This is pretty much it. So today is gonna be a very fun day. Let's see how it goes. Let's go for a trek. भैया कोई जूस है ढंग का दे दीजिए. It's very sunny. We just took an off-road trail towards the glacier point, is what they call it. Yesterday that was the plan, to cross the bridge and go around the trail. But rain happened and the snowfall happened. That was another experience, first time snowfall. So I think everything happens for a reason.
I grew up, oh, I can't help but wonder, where would I,
Something about these bridges.
what would I do if you were there when I needed you? Where would I be? What would I do if you were there when I needed you? Where would I
Another ice trekking. It's the third time in last 2 months. Good. Less of stamina. Come on, you can do it.
मैं अभी तक 4 बार गिर चुकी हूँ.
और बड़ा स्टिक नहीं मिला?
नहीं. Honestly नहीं.
अरे.
I give up.
No, you don't give up. Don't say give up in mountains.
I was looking for someone to give me company.
What a bunch of losers we have. I don't know, whatever it is. बेटा काटना मत जो भी है तुम.
आओ आप.
You're not coming.
No.
Why not?
Can't break more bones.
It won't break your bones. Trust me.
Or if it does, then my mom will break all the other bones next to my bone.
Good one. Next slide. Let's see who is it.
कोई मजा नहीं आ रहा, मर जा शराब. क्या कैसे जाओ? या.
Come, Palak. Let's do it.
3, 2. और मैं stop.
Now the challenge starts. ये क्या उठा रही हो? रस्सी दिया, रस्सी हटानो. Do you think this is the right way? क्या लोग हैं यार. तेरे को भी मिला एक. We are experimenting right now because we were shooting the
garbage here.
We are also picking some garbage. ठीक है, we are doing our part. We don't know where this road goes because all of the guys you just saw have left. We were busy shooting our interview for the video, and since we were on a very good flow, we didn't want to get disturbed, so we just had to complete it, then leave. And then we found this amazing trail.
कुणाल खेमू लग रहा है, ये कपूर है.
कुणाल कपूर ही है. This is really good. तो हल्दी ज़्यादा हो गया, अलग बात है.
वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि लीजा मैं और तू जल्दी से पहुंच जाएगा. तो
The moment we got back from the river walk and the trek, about half an hour ago it was still raining and snowing. There's a small drizzles, but we have this amazing weather right now. Just check it out. What do you think, Lisa?
Oh, I love this place. It's totally in my favor. I mean,
Because she had to do the pebble workshop.
This is my baby.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the newlywed bride and groom.
the weather gods are in our favor. Look, the sun is up. So we were here by the river and we got all these stones. So let's bet.
I took really good shots, amazing videos, and उनको अच्छे पत्थर मिल गए, and I think it's gonna be a really good experience today. I just hope you guys could actually see this view in real. It's so wow. That's a government school, by the way. Chitkul government school, high school actually. My pockets are filled with pebbles too. I had to wear the sunglasses. The sun is too hard on my face.
It's only when you want to bear me all your
And we are back to this hostel after such a long day.
love. And honey, I choose you. picking up the pieces, the ones that we don't have. It's the putting it together, it's making me sad. You're the reason why I can't touch the sky. I want it, I want it, and I am like
Ritika, we're leaving. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning. Have a nice.
I think you should wake up to 6 o'clock. You should go for the trek as well, right?
No, I'm not. I'm going for the 10:30 one.
Bye.
Bye. It was nice.
See ya. Nice to meet you too. So see you in Delhi, okay? Give me a call. The sun is rising. The mountains are shining. Definitely gonna miss this view. Very, very much.
Bye bye.
Time check, it's 6:20 right now in the morning, and today is 27th of May 2019. 6:30 is the first and the only bus that I needed to catch to go to Shimla so that I can reach Delhi as soon as possible. The mountains right behind me, it definitely gave me a little vibe of Ladakh. I'm sure I'll be coming to this place very soon. So finally, इस amazing valley को goodbye कहने से पहले चितकुल की हिंदुस्तान का आखिरी ढाबा में आखिरी चाय पी के जाएंगे अंकल के साथ. कल रात को अंकल से मुलाकात हुई थी. अच्छा लगा अंकल से वापस मिलके. दो चाय कर दो अंकल, डालेंगे फटाफट कड़क. So bus is about to leave in 5-10 minutes. क्या बात जी, थैंक यू. आ जाओ इधर. थैंक यू जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा जी. जल्दी मिलेंगे. हाँ जी, एकदम एकदम. हेलो हाय आपके यूं करूँगा.
आंटी नहीं आई आज.
The bus is about to leave. Okay, let's go. आगे का मिले यार, आगे का मिले. What a beautiful morning, isn't it? Woo!
Bye bye.
So there goes Lisa. That's the destiny of traveling. You meet, you spend time, you make memories, and then you separate to meet again. That's how it is, I think. So I've reached Karcham right now. This behind me is the famous big hydroelectricity project. I'm waiting for the bus to Shimla, which will be coming any minute now.
Let's just see. Where